Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand one of the most common task assignment algorithm, that is round robin task assignment. If you have ever wondered that how applications assign multiple tasks among multiple employees without manual intervention, then this video is for you. We will understand in simple terms using this demo that how round robin task assignment works. So let's start the demo first. So in the demo we will see that, see here, lot of tasks are present, around 10 tasks are present here, and as of now none of them have any assignee assigned. And here we do have a list of 4 employees here, and we want to assign tasks to them. There are 2 actions which I have created here. First is the assign task and second is the reset task. So assign will do what? When I try to click on this assign task, automatically for each task one assignment will be present here, means employee ID will come here. So let's try to go for the assignment first. Click on assign here. So I am trying to assign, and you can see here, as soon as this action got completed, the data is refreshed and we can see that Sarah now has 3 tasks, Marcus has 3, Elena has 2, and James has 2 only. And here you can see all these assignee got populated here. If I try to reset the task, again all these values will become null. How this assignment is working? When I click on assign the task, why Marcus and Sarah got 3 and how Elena and James got only 2 tasks only? How this assignment actually works? So let's take a step back and let's verify the concept one. Then we will go and check how we have built the expression rule for that one. So this is the round robin. So simple definition of round robin is that it used to distribute work fairly among team members. For example, what it will do here is, let's say that we have 3 employees here, A, B and C, and we have 5 tasks. So first of all, what we will do here is we will take first task here. So we will loop over each task. So total 5 tasks are there. So we will take first task and assign it to the first employee. We will take the second task, assign it to the second employee. We will take the third and assign to the third employee. So here you can see initially A got 1, then B also got 1, then C also got. Once everybody got, again we will run through the loop and A will get the second, then B will get the second, and in this way C will be left with just 1. There are no more tasks to assign. So this is how round robin used to work. So the basic logic is that 5 tasks are there, 3 employees are there. First of all, you have to find the base task, like total task divided by total employees. So 1 task. It means that every employee will get 1 task at least. Okay, now every employee got one task, total 3 employees were there. So now 2 tasks are left. How we will know 2 tasks will be left? We will find the remainder, task divided by employees. We will get 2 tasks are left for assignment. It means the task 4 will again go back to the A, then task 5 to the B. That's why this A got 2 here, B got 2, but C left with 1 because there was no other task for the assignment. So I hope this simple explanation was clear for you, and now we will go to build the expression there. So in order to build the expression, let's go with this one here. Okay. Now let's go back to Appian and let's see that how we have designed this whole solution for the round robin. First of all, we have, like you can see the actual actions, and actual actions have been created and grid is present. It means the data model is present here. So the data model, for the data model, very simple data model we have kept here. So ID is there, the task name is there, is active, and assignee employee, means every task will have some assignment. And one task, there is many to one relation with the employee. So there is a team record type here. You can see here, this is a team and the field is ID, name and modified on. That's it. So 3 fields are present there. Very simple data type is there, and there is many to one relation from task, means many tasks can have 1 employee. Okay, so like this one we have designed the data model. Now coming to the expression here. So in the expression, what we have done, first of all, you have to query the employee and the task data. These are the 2 basic details, minimum you have to do that. So when you take the variables local bank, first of all we have to take the employees, how many total employees are there. So I already have the expression, so I will try to reuse the same one. So this is the employee here. Okay, so once you got all the employees here, let's click on test and you will be able to see what all employees are present for you. Okay, Now, once you got the employees, the second thing is you have to find the tasks as well. So we will go into the task here and query the task data. So here you can see I have queried the task data here. So if you click on test, you will be able to see total 10 tasks are available to me. Now, what is the main logic behind it? The main logic is the task assign logic. So let's see that in detail here. Local bank assign. So how this assignment will work? First of all, we will loop over for each loop. So this is the for each. Items are going to be local bank task because we have to assign for the task here and expression. So we will create a local variable. First task we have to assign to the first employee. But how we will know where is the first employee? Because 1, 2, 3, 4 easily first 4 tasks, first 4 employees, we can do that. But what about the fifth one? Right, something like this one. Let's say like employee index and FV bank index. If I do something like this one and assign, okay, and click on test here. So when you test it, okay, so something, okay, so here we have to local, okay, local bank employee index, and let's call that employee index here and click on test. So you will see all this got index, but we don't need the index, right? So what we will do here is we will take the mod here, means remainder, FV bank index, okay, and divide by count of how many total employees are there. So we have seen the logic that we have to get the remainder of the task. So count of employees, let's see what is the value we are going to get. See here, 1, 2, 3, then 0 is coming, again 1, 2, 3, again 0 is coming. But I know that 1, 2, 3, where is the fourth is not present here, right? So we will add 1 at the end. Now let's see, so it will become here 2. Okay, but we don't need to, it should start with 1. So let's minus index from 1. So like this one we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2. So like this one all the tasks will get assigned. And finally local bank data. So we got the index and now we just need the data. So this is the local bank employee, and we have already got the local bank employee index, otherwise null. And here we can just print the data for that one. So you will be able to see, okay, it's not okay, so this data is not coming. Okay, let's see what is in the employee index. Let's print it once again and check it. Oh, see, it looks like 1, 2, 3 for you, but actually it is decimal, right? It needs to be integer, otherwise index function won't consider it. It looks integer to us, but actually it is decimal only. So now let's print the data and click on test here. So now you will be able to get the data, but the next part is just the simple one. We just have to assign the task to this one, keeping here, and just we have to test this ones, and you will see that task 11 got 11, 12, 13, 14, again 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 11, 12. So this is how we made this expression. So this is very important line here that actually identifies the round robin approach here. 1, 2, 3, 4, again it is repeating the sequence, because that's how this repetition should go on. So you have to first of all build this particular rule, which is very important. And now coming back to the actions, these were very simple actions that we have created for task assignment. One is script task we have kept. Here we are just calling the expression rule, round robin task assignment, storing it, and then we are writing in the write records. That's it. So this is the first one. And for the reset task assignment, what actually we are doing is, first of all, we will call all the task record type. So here you can see the task record type is present here, all this data, and then we will make that data null. So here, okay, I guess here only we are making it null. Yeah. So in the output you go, and in the data if you check, AC means activity class we have created, and employee ID should be null. So when actually we click on this reset task, all the assignment becomes null, and when we click on assign task, all this assignment populates here. So in this way you can see the task assignment is working here. let's do one more thing, like let's try to increase the number of tasks here. So if we increase the number of tasks, then what will happen is we can see that how more tasks are going to get assigned there. So let's go into the database. So this is the database, and as of now you can see here these 10 tasks are stored here and all their assigning employee ID is null. We will go into the SQL and we will insert, let's say, like 10 more tasks. I have the scripts ready with me. Click on go here and this task will get inserted. And now if you go into this one, total we have 25 tasks, right? And now let's sync our record once. Let's go in the overview tab and now let's click on start full sync here. So this is the new overview tab as part of a 26.6 release, okay, which gives a comprehensive detail about the complete record type. And now let's go back to the site. So now we have more tasks here which is present. So if you click on next page, 11 to 20 is there, and I guess some assignee is also present. I'm not sure why it is reflecting the assignee. I haven't inserted any assignee data. Oh, looks like assignee data also got inserted. Okay, no issues. If something is already present, so we don't have to worry about this one. So you can see here some assignment is already there. We can unassign anytime, doesn't matter. So my script task already has some assignment, so I have removed that assignment here. Just click on reset task. Everybody, all the assignment is going to become null here. Okay, so all the assignment is null here, and now click on assign task. When you will assign this time, you can see the count is different this time. Sarah got 7 but everybody else got 6. 6 times 3 is 18 and this should be 24, but total task were 25. So that's why this Sarah got one extra task. So in this way you can understand in a very simple that we are assigning the task in a very repetitive order. It is a very simple concept to assign the task fairly. Okay, so first of all employee A, B, C, and again the same repetition will happen. And in the expression, this repetition is being controlled using this one. We are finding the next employee index accurately here. And that's how round robin task assignment works. As you can see, the logic is simple, but it's widely used in the workflow application. There may be chances that you have already used this logic or you may have to use this logic in the future. So it's very good to know about this one. So I hope this video helped you to understand both the concept and the implementation in Appian. So that was all for now, guys. Thank you.